Hi friends, welcome to Brilliance Academy. Brilliance Academy has launched GST series for SBI Po and Clerk 2018 aspirants. In this series, important questions relating to general awareness and current affairs will be discussed. If you want to get the benefit of this series, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's begin today's lecture. The first question is, recently, Surya Kiran military exercise was conducted between which two countries? Options are A. India and Bangladesh, B. India and Nepal, C. Bangladesh and Nepal, D. India and Sri Lanka, E. None of these. Right answer is B. India and Nepal. Joint military exercise between India and Nepal conducted at Pithoragarh, Dehradun. Soldiers from both the countries shared their experiences of counter-insurgency and counter-terrorist operations. The military exercise, which concluded on June 12, is conducted alternatively in India and Nepal every 6 months. Surya Kiran with Nepal is India's largest military exercise in terms of troop participation. Over 300 soldiers from both the countries are taking part in the exercise. The aim of this exercise is to conduct battalion-level joint training with emphasis on counter-terrorism operations in mountainous terrain. The joint training exercise will enhance the level of defense cooperation between the two neighbors, which will further strengthen bilateral relations. Next question, who is the first Indian botanist to receive the prestigious Linnean Medal in Botany? Options are A. Arun Kumar Sharma, B. Satish Chandra Maheshwari, C. Kamaljeet S. Bawa, D. S. K. Sinha, E. V. S. Jaiswal. Correct answer is C. Kamaljeet S. Bawa. Indian botanist Kamaljeet S. Bawa, president of Bangalore-based non-profit Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and the Environment, received the prestigious Linnean Medal in Botany from the Linnean Society of London on May 24. The Linnean Medal is awarded to a biologist every year by the Linnean Society of London. According to the Society's website, it is awarded as an expression of the Society's esteem and appreciation for service to science. The first scientist to receive the Linnean Medal was Sir Joseph D. Hooker, who compiled the monumental 7-volume Flora of British India, the first ever comprehensive account of India's plants. Dr. Bawa is the first Indian to win the award ever since it was first constituted in 1888. Let's go to the next question. Name the PSU which has emerged as India's most profitable state-owned company for the second consecutive year. Options are A. National Thermal Power Corporation, B. Indian Oil Corporation, C. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, D. Coal India Limited, E. Gas Authority of India Limited. Right answer is B. Indian Oil Corporation. Fuel retailer Indian Oil Corporation has for the second year in a row beaten Oil and Natural Gas Corporation to become India's most profitable state-owned company. IOC, which has for decades been India's biggest company by turnover, achieved a record net profit of 21,346 crore rupees in the fiscal year ended March 31, 2018, up 12% from 19,106 crore rupees in the last fiscal. ONGC reported its financial year 18 numbers, 11.4% rise in net profit to 19,945 crore rupees. Billionaire Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Industries retained the crown of being India's most profitable company for the third year in a row, posting highest ever net profit of 36,075 crore rupees. Here is the next question. In which of the following city the first biannual Indian Air Force Commanders Conference was inaugurated by Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman? Options are A. New Delhi, B. Chennai, C. Bangalore, D. Lucknow, E. Kolkata. Answer to this question is A. New Delhi. Next question. FCRA stands for. Options are A. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, B. Foreign Companies Regulation Act, C. Foreign Currency Regulation Act, D. Foreign Capital Regulation Act, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act is an act of Parliament which regulates the acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution or foreign hospitality by certain individuals or associations or companies, and to prohibit acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution or foreign hospitality for any activities detrimental to the national interest and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Recently, FCRA was in news because Lok Sabha passed the Amendment Bill 2018. The next question is, China successfully launched a new Earth observation satellite which will be mainly used in agricultural resources research and disaster monitoring. What is the name of the satellite? Options are A. Tansat, B. Gofen 1, C. Chinasat 12, D. Gofen 6, E. Wiensat 1. Answer to this question is D. Gofen 6. The Gofen 6 satellite was launched on a Long March 2D rocket from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in North China. It will be mainly used in agriculture resources research and disaster monitoring. GF6 was developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation and has a lift-off mass of 1064 kilograms and a design life of 8 years. The satellite was built to complement and perhaps replace Gofen 1 launched in 2013 and will be used mainly for imaging purposes. GF6 carries a high-resolution multispectral imaging camera as well as a multispectral wide-angle camera. Last question of this lecture is, the Union Ministry of Culture introduced a new scheme called SBI Po Pre. This scheme is related to. Options are A. Food, B. Agriculture, C. Tax, D. Electricity, E. None of these. Answer to this question is C. Tax. The Ministry of Culture, Government of India has introduced a new scheme, namely SBI Po Pre, with a total outlay of 325 crore rupees for financial years 2018-19 and 2019-20. The scheme envisages to reimburse the central government share of central goods and services tax and integrated goods and service tax so as to lessen the financial burden of such charitable religious institutions who provide food, prasad, langar, community kitchen, bhandara, free of cost without any discrimination to public devotees. So friends, how was today's lecture? Write your opinion in the comment box below. If you have any query, you can mail us at the provided email ID. You can also follow us on Facebook, Telegram and Google+. Links have been given in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.